Hi, can a business analyst become a product manager? This will be today's topic, or is the vice versa. Hi, you're listening to barathkumarkarunanidhi, and today we'll be talking about the difference between a product manager and a business analyst. And also, can a business analyst become a product manager, or the other way around, which is can product manager be a business analyst, become a business analyst as well? Think on this. So, to answer this question, yes, a business analyst can become a product manager. Also, a product manager can become a business analyst. Though the roles and responsibilities are almost similar, there is minor changes that is needed on the skill set and the mindset of each of the for each of the roles. Otherwise, other than this, the roles and responsibilities and the daily activities the person needs to be a business analyst or a product manager does, it's almost similar. Okay. So I'm just going to share my screen quickly, and so that we can walk through like what are the difference between analyst and a product manager, and what are the skill sets that is common across both the roles. Okay, give me a couple of minutes. I'm just sharing my screen. Yeah, hope you're able to see my screen now. Yeah, so when it comes to business analyst, so the business analyst teams will be there in mostly in service based companies, whereas the product managers will be working on a product based companies. And next is about the problems which they solve. The business analyst will be solving the client's problems. They'll be dealing with certain client who has come to them for they have some problem, they want a solution for that. That is what a business analyst will be dealing with. So they solve client's particular problem. Whereas in case of product managers will be handling the end users pain points. So they'll be solving, they're also, I mean, problem solving is same. So here the client's problem is getting solved, here the end users problem is getting solved. So the product managers deal with a set of users, solves the problem of a set of users, or the pain point that is existing in the market, so that with their product, with their existing product or with their new product. So they will try to come up with a product based on the end users pain point that is there in the market, so they can start promoting and start selling the product. So that is the difference between the way they work in a client based focus, and here it is a customer end user focus roles here. Okay, as a product manager. So when it comes to next is about when it comes to business analyst. So as I mentioned, they mostly deal with the individual clients, which it could be a B2B organization. So they come with a specific problem, and the business analysts deal with them and find a way to solve their problem. So they devise a solution for them. They develop an application for them. That's all the business analyst does. When it comes to product managers, end users with the same problem or their customers. So there will be a group of users who's facing certain pain point in the industry, in the market, and those people and the product managers guys come up with a product for that particular pain point or a problem in the market, and those users who's all having the problem will be their customers. So here it's client based and it's a customer centric here in product manager. So let us see what are the skills that is common across. So when it comes to business analyst, the analytical skills is almost required for both product manager and business analyst. So the requirements gathering happens for both the cases. In case of business analyst, they deal with the client, they get the inputs from the clients. In case of product manager, they get the recommends from various sources apart from their market research and competitor analysis. So all these recommends, once they capture, they need to analyze all the recommends and see which is going to fit in, which is supposed to be solved first, and take it to the development team, and that goes on. That's the cycle which we follow. But that is happening for both the cases, product manager or be it a product manager or a business analyst, that will happen for both. And next is about the client focus, which we talked about. So the business analyst is always client centric and client focused. Whatever the problem is being faced by the client, there will be a business analyst will be dealing with that. In case of product manager, it is customer end user centric. So the customers or the pain points that is faced by the customers, that will be the main focus point for the product manager, right? And here, as a business analyst, the domain knowledge comes in very handy, because without the domain knowledge, the expertise will not be there. The subject matter expertise is supposed to be there for a product business analyst. In case of product manager, that will be market research. So that will be helping in market research. So the product manager does the market research of the entire problem which is there, and there is there any solution that is there in the market, or what, or at least a nearby solution. So whatever is that, all the market research and analysis will be done by the product manager here, and the strategic thinking will be added advantage for a product manager. So that is what a few variations in the skill set and mindset which we talked about. So the strategic thinking mostly because the product manager is supposed to devise their own go-to-market strategy, how to launch it in the market. All those things can also be worked on by the product manager, but business analyst doesn't do that because it's totally centric, and that is a solution that is supposed to be applicable for that particular client. That is how it is. So next is about problem solving, which I talked about earlier. So problem solver, both business and a product manager are supposed to be a good damn problem solver. So whatever the problems faced by the client, the business analyst should be handling it. Whatever the problems that is faced by the end users in the market, product manager are supposed to be a problem solver and solve the pain point for them. So that is a common skill set that's required across both roles. And next, about communication skills. Communication will come in handy in any role, not only in this to be a product manager, but this is more specific here because BAs or the product managers, these are the teams who will be dealing with everybody, almost everybody in the company, especially in the product manager case. Product manager will have to communicate with all the teams inside a company and also the end users. So in case of business analysts, they will be dealing with clients very often and the internal teams, so internal stakeholders and the client side stakeholders. So that they need that communication, be it written or an oral communication. Everything is supposed to be to the top notch. So that is how it's going to be common. That's how it's going to help them for their career. So that is a common skill set across both BA and product manager. And cross-functional collaboration, as I mentioned, the product managers are the one who deals with everybody in the organization, right from market research team, if at all they have one, or else product manager will himself do the market research, say support, marketing, development team, testing, content writing team. What else team is there in the MIS team, if at all? So all those teams will be there. Who will be dealing with the product manager, product manager will have to deal with all these teams as such. In case of business analyst, it's totally again the development team, testing and release, and of course sales team will also come then and there whenever the need arises. So cross-functional collaboration is required for both the roles, be a business analyst or a product manager. And stakeholder management, which I talked about, it's applicable for both the cases. So these are the the skill sets that is mapping across business analyst and product manager. Hope you found this information helpful. So as I mentioned before, a business can become a product manager, and also a business product manager can also become a business analyst. It's a vice versa. And if you realistic example for that, I would say myself. So I have worked in a product role as well, and also I have been in a business analyst roles. So I have built a team of a business analyst, and I have run through the I have guided them through the entire career for the past 2 years at least. So I have built my own team and started providing solutions for the end users, for the client assets. So that is how it was. So I have been in the same two different roles anytime. So right from 2012, right from 2012 to 2024 now. So I have juggled between two roles: product manager, business analyst, product manager, business analyst. That is how it has been. So that's about this topic. Now I'm just going to stop my sharing my screen. So hope you found this information helpful, and give your inputs and feedback in the comment section below. And you also have the links to the VIP Facebook group. If you want more updates on product management topics like this, you can join the VIP Facebook group using the link. And there is also a link for a one-to-one. So there is also a link for there is also a Calendly link with which you can schedule an one-to-one. With which you can schedule a one-to-one discussion with me on product management career consultation if you wish to. And you can also download a free ebook with the link below. Talks about 6 ways to start your career in product management. So that's it for today, and see you again in the next series. Have a nice day. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.